Now, third part is Ruhi travels 300 kilometers to her home partially by train and partially by bus. She takes 4 hours. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train and remaining by bus. If she travels 100 kilometers by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of train and the bus. Now in this total distance is given is equal to 300 kilometer. Now let the speed of train is equal to x kilometer per hour. Let the speed of bus is equal to y kilometer per hour. Case 1 is she travel 60 kilometer by train. Distance traveled by bus. Yes, travels by bus. Sorry, by train. First is train, that is 60 kilometer. So distance traveled by bus is 300 minus 60, that is 240 kilometer. Now time taken both the journeys is 4 hours. So time taken by train is equal to, that is distance upon speed, that is this is t1, that is 60 upon x. So time taken by bus t2 is equal to distance upon speed, that is 240 upon y. Total time is 4 hours. So 60 t1 plus t2 is equal to 4 hours, that is 60 upon x plus 240 upon y is equal to 4. Now case 2 is distance traveled by train is equal to, this is our first equation, train is 100 kilometer, distance traveled by bus is equal to 300 minus 100, that is 200 kilometer. So t1 is equal to distance upon speed, that is 100 by x, and t2 is equal to distance upon speed is equal to 200 by y. Total time is equal to 3 hours. So now new equation is 100 by x plus 200 by y is equal to 3, that is our second equation. Now we have to the 3 hours, that is 4 hours plus 10 minutes. Sorry, total time is 4 hours plus 10 minutes, that is 4 hours, 4 plus 10 by 60, that is 4 plus 1 by 6. When we take LCM here, 6, that is 24 plus 1, that is equal to 25 by 6. So it is 25 by 6. Now we have to solve these two equations. Now put 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. Now in first equation, 60a plus 240b is equal to 4, third equation, and 100a plus 200b is equal to 25 by 6, that become 600a plus 1200b is equal to 25. This is our fourth equation. Now you can solve these two equations by any method: elimination method, cross multiplication method, and substitution method. Here I am using elimination method. Multiply equation 3 by 10, that becomes 600a plus 2400b is equal to 40. Now subtract, these cancel each other. This minus 1200b is equal to minus 15. b is equal to 15 by 1200. Minus sign cancel each other. Now 15 by 12, if you divide this, it become 1 by 80. So b is equal to 1 by 80. Put in 3. Now 60a plus 240 into 1 by 80 is equal to 4. 8 3s are 24. 60a is equal to 4 minus 3, that is a is equal to 1 by 60. Now 1 by x is equal to 1 by 60, because we put 1 by x is equal to a. So x is equal to 60 km/h. 1 by y is equal to 1 by 80, because b is 1 by y is equal to b and b is 1 by 80. So y is equal to 80 km/h. So the speed of train is 60 km/h and the speed of bus is 80 km. Thank you.